Being an artist is so weird. Like, they make drawings with stuff like this dead, compressed tree and this plastic rod with a metal tip and bristles. And with this plastic palette with colors on it, and it has water in it.
And that's
Like what?
make
And we have, last but not the least, they make drawings like this. And this with them. Like, what the heck is that? How?
so weird.
What is happening? They have some secrets. Let us find out. Oh.